G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy bacon in the microwave. So simple, super yummy. Let's go.
Simple cooking, simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Now all you need for this is a bowl and a microwave. So get your bacon and you just drapes it over like that. Now pop this in the microwave. Depending on how strong your microwave is, could take a minute, could take 2, could take 3. But basically you just pop that in the microwave on high and just check it every minute and you'll have beautiful crispy bacon. Well, I hope you like this. Oh, look at that. For those of you that like crispy bacon, oh. Beyond everything. I'll see you next time for my next meal.